This conference will now be recorded.
10-15 minutes I will discuss. After that, you can ask me questions and then it will be continued the sessions. Okay. Let me, I think you are able to see my screen.
Yes, I can.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Give
sir.
me a second. Yeah, okay. Let me create. It is finance batch 74. Finance. Today it is 16th. Microsoft Dynamics F&O. This is the application name. F&O means finance and operations. Okay, earlier this product name is, and please unmute, please mute yourself for 10-15 minutes. After that you can unmute and you can discuss with me. Prakash, if you don't mind, can you mute yourself? Yeah, thank you. So 10-15 minutes only I will discuss. After that, if you have any questions, you can ask me. We'll proceed. So the product name is Microsoft Dynamics F&O. Actually, this is D365. They are calling it as 365. D365 F&O shortcut. Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O. The names earlier it is Accepta. The very first is Accepta. Later on they are called as Dynamics AX. Dynamics AX. Nowadays they are calling Dynamics 365. Okay, what are the versions means? 10 years or 12 years back, AX 2009 is there. Later on, AX 2012. So, Manoj, can you mute yourself? Manoj, if you don't mind, can you mute yourself? Yeah. Next, now D365. So in this old version, it is 5.0 and 5.1 version available. In this 6.0, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. There is no 6.4. Sometimes I will ask question like, do you have experience in AX 2012 6.4? Whether you have experience in 6.3 or 6.4 or 6.5. People will answer like 6.5 is the highest one, so I will answer like 6.5. There is no 6.5 or 6.4, up to 6.3 only. This is also called R3, place 3. These are old versions. In D365 we have 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1. These versions are stopped. It is there by Microsoft, it was stopped. Now the latest version is 10.0. This is the version it is running. Still this support is available up to next month. Mainstream support, it is October 2021. So this support also going to be ended in the next month. AX 2012 R3, this is also going to be ended. Now in the market it is D365 10.0 only from next month onwards. 10.0. This is also stopped. If any application, any client is having this, suppose these versions, they need to upgrade to this one, automatic update 10.0. So in this also 10.0.20 it is running now. This is the latest version. So if you want to learn Dynamics 365, what are the qualifications required? To learn, what is the requirement? One is you need to have domain or
Satya, your
functional
voice
knowledge.
is completely breaking.
Is it everyone?
No, no, it's fine.
It's
No,
audible.
it's fine.
Fine here.
Fine. So please, whoever has one that you need to verify your internet.
It's okay, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. Thank you. Domain or functional knowledge. First one is you need to have domain knowledge or functional knowledge. Little technical knowledge. Little technical knowledge. Next, ERP concepts. ERP concepts. Next, how to operate. That is Dynamics F&O. This is how to operate. This is why, where, which, when, what. These questions, if you have these many things. So this is how to operate and something interview techniques. Okay, can you mute yourself, please? Someone is uh, Jignesh. Can you, if you don't mind, can you mute yourself, Jignesh Rathod? So yeah, fine. Thanks. So next one is commerce knowledge. Commerce knowledge. So to learn this application, I'm telling you, these skills are required for finance. Okay. So even though if you want to learn this application, if you complete your 10th standard, if you have knowledge on 10th standard, you can learn this application. So commerce knowledge means I will give you clarifications on debits and credits. I will explain you what is this debit and credit. I'm not going to teach entire commerce. I'm going to teach you about what is the difference between debit and credit. It's not an issue. Means even BTech people also, they learn finance. It's not a complex. Next, if you want to get a job, you need to have a education qualification and communication skills, and then opportunity in the market. Next one is practice. These all skills required to get a job. These all skills is required. So I can make sure you are going to learn these things, but it is not in my hand. So here, even whether it is a BTech or MBA or MCA or BCom or BSc computers or BCom computers, it is not relevant for me to learn this application. But to get a job, companies will verify your education qualification. That is based on the requirement, they will select you, and you need to have communication skills. If you are not able to speak with the opposite person in a proper manner, you may be rejected even though you have excellent knowledge. You need to express opposite, maybe interviewer or business users or maybe a developer. You need to interview many people. So communication is crucial and important for functional consultant role. And opportunity in the market. At this point, it is a position now. It is very, very high. I mean, say there is a huge requirements in the market. And practice system, the way how I am teaching, you need to practice. So all these things together, you can get a job. And timings for this, it is finance. It is 8 to 9 a.m. standard time. Usually, I will conduct the sessions between 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. Those are the regular sessions. But people are and 8 general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash and bank, fixed assets, budgeting. These are the 6 sub modules are there. Along with 6 modules, taxation, consolidation, credit and collections. These will be included. Okay. So in previous version, AX 2012 version, this tax consolidation is a part of general ledger, and this credit and collections is a part of accounts receivable module. Now it was separated. So 9 modules you are going to learn. Okay. Whenever you are learning, you need to learn positive. Do and try to understand the error message. There are 3 ribbons will come. One is blue means successfully completed, yellow means it's a warning, red
Hello. Sir, there is a voice
Sir,
cut
your
is.
voice is breaking.
Yeah, now we see the voice is not coming. There's a lot of lag.
Yes, yes.
in my teaching it will be included all. Okay, now it is your turn. I think
So,
many people has many doubts. Please unmute yourself.
no, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, Satya, one minute. Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Actually, your voice is breaking down, Satya. We are not able
Now,
to hear.
okay, give me a network. Let me change my network. Give me a second, please. Yeah, I'm changing my network. Give me a minute, please. Okay. Now, am I audible clearly?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you. So, here it is 8 to 10 weeks. The session will be 8 to 10 weeks. It is end date. I will not give you commitment. I'm not giving you any commitment on end date. It is plus or minus. It will be extended based on the students' questions. If people are asking many questions, first I need to answer that questions, and then only I can proceed further topics. Okay. Positive ways you need to learn, and negative ways also you need to learn. Happy paths or positive ways means successful scenarios you need to learn, and negative scenarios means do mistakes and try to understand what is the mistake, what is the error here, and try to rectify. Those things also you need to learn. Okay. So the way how I am teaching like this, and the modules here: general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash and bank, fixed assets, budgeting, tax, consolidation, and credit and collections. These are the sub modules you are going to learn. Okay. Now, any questions to me? So you will learn small things like intersection also little bit. Means
Can you share?
yeah.
Can you share your
Yes.
screen?
Yeah, I'm sharing. Are you able to see? Anyone, please?
The screen is not
No.
visible.
No.
Not
We cannot
visible.
see
Huh?
your notepad.
Oh, okay. Give me a second.
No, we can't see the screen.
Okay, give me a minute.
Satya, it's not able to view your screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing.
Yeah,
Now,
now it's visible.
okay, fine. So you are going to learn general ledger module, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash and bank, fixed assets, budgeting, tax, consolidation, credit and collections. All these modules you are going to learn. Along with this one, you need to learn some topics related to logistics also. Means item group, item model group, something we need to understand from logistics. So I will teach you some intersection between finance and T&L, some topics related to logistics. Understood? Any questions? So this is high level inputs I have given about the way how I am going to teach you. Yeah. Any questions to me?
Satya, good morning.
Yes, please. Yeah, good morning.
I am bit late. I am bit late by 10 minutes. Can
Okay.
you just give me a summary of what has been discussed so far? Just main points.
Yeah. So as I told you, like this learning to learn this application, these are the skills required. One is
Okay.
commerce knowledge, clarity on debits and credits. Domain knowledge or functional knowledge. That means why, what, where, when, which. Little bit technical knowledge means suppose tab, fast tab, radio button, checkbox, text box, or whatever it is, small technical words, you need to learn that one. And ERP concepts means ledger, subledger, number sequences, and then how to operate Dynamics 365. Many people think like, if I learn how to operate application, uh, can you mute yourself? There is a lot of noise. Yeah, can you mute yourself, Magesh?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
don't mind?
yeah. Sure.
Okay, so how to operate means many people think like, if I know like how to operate Dynamics 365, I can get a job. No, if you want to get a job, these many skills are required. These all skills are required. So if you learn how to operate Dynamics 365, many people think like, I can get a job. No, all these things are required. Commerce knowledge, little bit. Domain knowledge. Domain knowledge means, suppose if you are doing a purchase order invoice, purchase order creation, product receipt, and then invoice. In the product receipt, we will call it as GRN, MRN. What is this GRN means? Goods receipt note. MRN means material receipt note. If it is a vendor invoice can be generated in 4 different forms. In 4 different scenarios are available in the system. So why it was given 4 different scenarios? What is the purpose? In which situation, which one I need to use? All these things I will explain in the notepad first. It is equal to a real-time scenario. It is equal to a real-time scenario. And a little bit technical knowledge and ERP concepts and everything it will be covered. And whenever I am teaching, I will teach first like this, transactions first. Next, you will learn slowly masters. Then you will learn slowly setups and then parameters. Once you learn, I will create company creation process. Then parameters. Then setups. Then masters. Then transactions. This is indirectly sample project. And always I will show you real-time scenarios only. I mean to say, with my experience, I will explain the topic first and the notepad or like this paintbrush, I will draw a diagram and I will explain you. Then I will proceed with the application. So there will be 4. One is notepad, one is paintbrush, next one is Dynamics 365 application, next one is my voice. All these things should be like you need to concentrate on all these things. Okay, so company creation process also I will explain you, not now. I mean to say after 1 month you are going to learn company creation process. It is it is equal to a sample project you are going to practice. So this company creation process you need to do at least minimum to minimum 15 to 20 times. Then only you will be in the race. If you want to win a race, running race, suppose first you need to win in the street, and then you need to win in the city, and then you need to win in the state, then only you can win it in the country or international. So your efforts is most important here. Initially my focus is I will concentrate on these things to learn by you, and this is in your scope, and all together to get a job. These are the skills required, and of course this is also practice. That's why I have given one of the skill required, practice with the system. Okay, this is the way I'm going to teach you. Now any questions to me, anyone?
Okay, a couple of questions. So
Yes,
first
please.
of all, you will give the access to the test system for how long?
So for that there are 2 options. One is always get it installed in your system. This is the best practice. Means I will give you one number. So now itself I'm providing you. Nine four 54826. He will charge some money to get installed in your laptop or in your system. So that will be standalone system. You can use that system if you want, like this. This is my system. It was installed in my laptop directly. I'm going to access this application. So you can use this system whenever, wherever you want. You can use this system. So this is the best practice. And if you want demo system, I will share with you later demo link. But this demo link, every 4 hours it will be refreshed. The data will be gone. You need to create once again. Whatever you have created already, whatever it is default available, it will be available, but with this refresh.
So this demo link
This
is
is for temporary.
is this Microsoft
Yes,
provided
Microsoft.
or what? Microsoft provided.
Microsoft provided. Yes. A trial version,
Mm-hmm.
trial link. You can practice. For practicing temporarily, it will be useful, but better to install in your system properly. That is the best option. Yeah. Any
Okay.
questions? Any more? Yeah.
And then you provide materials and all, like, or is it only Notepad and all?
So actually, yeah, Notepad also I will share with you, everyone. I will share with you. And if you want material, you need not to wait for me. I'm giving you now itself.
It's the Microsoft Documents.
Yes. If you go here, if you click on this any topic and if you type D365, you will find download PDF. Download PDF. You can download. No need to wait for me. You can download. If you want AX 2012 version documents, I have in a proper manner. I will share with you AX 2012 documents. But if you want D365, Microsoft is providing here in the download PDF. Entire modules, all modules will be there. You can download. So you need not to wait for me. Now itself you can download. So I'm sharing with you this link. Whoever is wants, you can, whether you are joining the session or not, it is irrelevant, but you can learn. This is information only. I'm just sharing with you, everyone. If you want, you can take. Yeah. Any questions? Any more?
And do you provide the work instruction for using the system, like end user works instruction and all, so it's easy to navigate?
Yes. Yes. See, whenever I'm teaching, see, I will just give you the old batches. Suppose. So I'm showing you now. As today it is in the session, it was explained. So I will give you like this, the path.
These are configuration path, correct? No.
One by one, everything. It's not only one. Everyday topic I will explain in the notepad every day. Not only configuration, everything. Whatever the discussion happened, everything I can explain in the notepad, and I will periodically I will share with this one. If it really wants immediately, I will share. This is not that much dependency. And one more thing, you are getting video recording sessions. So institute will give you video recording sessions. So from that also you can go through that one. But if it is a like this notepads, I will share weekly something, weekly once.
No. What I meant is, do you provide a work instruction, like say for example, how to create an invoice, correct? Vendor invoice.
Yes.
Say for example,
Yes.
so you go here, click here, add this line, like a work instruction kind of thing. Like
Yes, that is, yeah, that is this one. See, this one. How to operate means, whenever I'm explaining, I will show you like, go to accounts payable module. Click
No,
on
that
purchase order.
that I get, but do you provide in a PPT kind of thing? Okay, these step-by-step instruction.
So that's what, that step-by-step instructions I'm teaching in the notepad. That's what I'm telling you. So if you want,
Got it. Notepad is just a path. I got it. Okay, so you
yeah,
can provide the details.
it will be available everything. So every day I will store the notepad and I can provide you. So it is there already. The paths, like see, like a general ledger module, calendars, fiscal calendars, chart of account, like this. Everything I will explain in the notepad first. The calculations, how FIFO, LIFO will be calculated. I will explain in the notepad first. Then the results I will show in the system. Suppose FIFO method. What is the calculation methodology? LIFO is there, weighted average there. How it is calculating? I will explain this one. Then I will show in the system. In the system, I can show in 2 minutes or 1 minute. But if you want to understand, it will take so much time. Am I right?
Yeah, true.
So even for charge code, suppose I am taking charge codes. There are different methods of calculations. So one is in this, if you look at this one, there are different calculation methodology, distribution of the charge codes. So first I will explain in the notepad how it is going on. Then I will show in the system. That is the reason I told you here domain knowledge. This is 60%. In my teaching, it is majorly 60% this one, domain knowledge, and 40% this one. This is minute, maybe 5%, 2%, 3% something, but this is a major area. Many people think like, if I know how to operate, I can get a job. No, it is not possible. You need to understand the behind the screen, what is going on. What is the business logic for business people? What is the technical logic with the developer? You need to understand both sides. You are a mid layer between business users versus developers. Okay. So, and I will explain, I will start by today or tomorrow, like the graphical representation. I'm going to show this one. Let me finish these questions, then definitely tomorrow, if it is time is available, today I will start this session like about the application. First, let me focus on questions with the people, then I will continue.
So you teach only like 8 to 9 a.m. IST. Do you also do weekend classes or no?
No, at this point, actually regularly, I will teach 6 to 7 and 7 to 8.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
But this session
yeah,
is
this
8 to
session,
9.
yeah, this session is 8 to 9. The reason behind, many people are waiting, and I have started this batch, one batch last month, September 1st week. That batch may be like completed by October 15th or October 20th, but many people are waiting for me. That is the reason I have started this batch.
Okay, got
From
it.
last 8 years, I'm teaching 6 to 7 and 7 to 8 only. But because of requirement in the market, because there is a huge demand in the market, that is the reason I have started this one. Because I'm a working employee, I need to take care about my company roles and responsibilities.
Mm.
Okay.
And
So
how
other
much
than this,
how much do you charge?
so regarding fee, like you can discuss with institute. You can discuss with institute, please. Institute will get back to you. If you share your number, mobile number with institute, they will do it. Magesh, if you don't mind, can you mute yourself? There is a lot of noise.
Can you provide the email for the institute? You can drop an email.
Okay. Institute, can you share your company, like institute email ID? Institute?
Who is the institute? Where is the?
Actually, Kiran Mai is there. Okay, give me a minute. I will check with so I will check with her. Give me a minute because it is there, but I will not remember this one. Okay, give me a minute. I will share with you that one.
And you will be sending the link for tomorrow onwards. You're telling, or how does it work?
So the same link will be continued tomorrow as well.
Oh, same link. Okay, so we just
Same
log
link.
on.
From Monday onwards, it will be link will be changed. Whoever is paid fee, those will be do it. Okay. Only if it is from Monday onwards, you need to pay fee. Then only will be allowed. Otherwise, no.
Okay.
For tomorrow, you can join the session. No issues.
Yeah, can you give the email ID and the contact?
Okay. Can I give contact number?
Yeah.
Can I give contact number? Okay. So let me take this one. Give me a second. It is 970.
1 minute. 970. Okay.
44.
970 44
55.
55
959.
959. So it's 970 44 55 959. And who's the person to contact?
Kiran Mai.
Kiran, okay. Kiran.
Yeah, Kiranmayi dot visualpath at the rate gmail.com.
Kiranmayi dot visual path.
Yeah, dot visualpath at the rate gmail.com. So in the chart it will be there. If you go to chart, you will find that one in the charts. Shipping already.
Okay, I see something coming in.
Yeah. So mobile number, she has given alternate mobile number also.
Sir, can you please explain? Previously, you were saying your voice was breaking regarding the something.
Regarding which topic, Surya, if you don't mind?
Regarding the error message, you were saying something and your voice was breaking at that moment.
Okay. So my intention is whenever you are learning, you need to learn positive ways and negative ways. So whenever you are posting, if it is success, it is a blue letters, blue ribbon will come. If it is a warning, then it is a yellow ribbon. If it is error, it will be red. So you need to understand all these things. If it is succeeded, it will be blue. If it is a warnings, it will be yellow. It is proceeding but with warnings messages. And red means it is stop. You need to understand all these things as well. Whenever you are learning, negative ways also you need to learn. That's what my intention. We are human beings, we may do mistakes. Then in the system, once it is data entry is completed, once it is posted, you cannot modify. I mean to say you cannot correct it. So only a rectification entry means you cannot modify the existing transaction, but you can enter opposite entry. That is that you need to learn. That also I will teach. Make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any more questions, please?
And usually, how many people do you limit in a batch?
So it usually earlier, to be frankly, 6 months back, it will be 5 to 6 members or 7 members, max to max 8 members. Nowadays, it is batches around 15 to 20 members because there is a huge demand in the market. Many people are interested, and even some SAP people, Oracle apps people also they are learning in this Dynamics 365 because the demand is high in the market.
Got it.
So that is the reason the batch may be extended. If it is 5 to 6 members, the questions may be less. If it is around 15 to 20 members, like people will ask many questions. If it is many questions, then it may be extended. That is the reason I told you like end date I cannot commit. My focus is I need to explain everything.
Got
Yes,
it.
Prakash.
Got it.
Prakash,
Yes,
you are asking something.
my question is that, yeah, in our versions, we discuss means what are the versions are available for D365. But I heard in the market or from my friends, there are two types of D365. One is on-premises version and another is cloud basis. Then any difference in between these two?
No, there is no differences. Only if it is on premises
Yeah.
means Microsoft Manager Services means your production server will be maintained by Microsoft. Off premises
Okay.
means you are maintaining yourself. But in terms of application, there is no change.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome.
Thanks.
And another question, like if you see, like try to Google. So in it's Dynamics 365, you have Business Central, GP, NAV,
Yeah.
and then F&O.
Hmm.
Like, what are these like different products that Microsoft is it targeted to different markets and all, like Business
Yes,
Central,
exactly. So
GP?
yeah. So actually earlier there are so many products. Of course, Great Plain, GP, and Solomon, and CRM, and Business Central, and AX. So actually F&O. These are different products. So Business Central means earlier this product name is Navision. Now it is Business Central. This is for very small ERPs. You can use this one. Very small ERPs. And this is for very large.
And is
Earlier
it
it
the
is called,
same? Navivision is the same as Nav?
yeah, Navision means Nav.
Nav only, correct? Yeah.
So this Nav is renamed as Business Central. This CRM is now it is called as CE, Customer Engagement. It is old name is CRM. And Great Plain and Solomon. Now actually in 1990s, this is a very like top product, means used a lot. Nowadays it is not much. Of course, the same it is continuing. I don't know much enhancements, whether it is enhancements is happening or not, whether it is the same product or not. I don't know. These are also another ERPs from Microsoft. Yeah. Any questions?
So you said Navision is very small in terms of
Yeah.
what exactly?
Application wise means the feature wise very small. The features wise, that is also ERP, small ERP. So earlier Navision and AX, these two are equal products in 2008 and 2009. But later on this product is enhanced a lot, but not that much in Navision. Okay, just I want to, people are asking, so I am showing you one thing. See, this is in Dynamics 365 ERP. Nowadays Microsoft is focusing on these ones. It is finance, supply chain management, manufacturing, supply chain management means logistics, and developers means coding, business central, and then solution architect. These are the different certifications are there. If it is a CRM, this is not a big application, it is very small application. Very small application. In this we have many things. One is sales, marketing, customer services, and service management. And one more new module is there, project operations. From CRM, there is a new module called project operations also introduced. That is actually PMA called one module in ERP, project management and accounting module. That is slowly it is incorporated in CRM. And to integrate between these two products, there is one more good opportunity in the market, Power Apps, Power Platform, to integrate these products. Not only to integrate these products, this Power Platform can be integrated with any ERPs, any applications, third-party applications, can be integrated with low code, no code. A beautiful like integration tool. This is integration tools. It was introduced like 1 year back. Now in the market it is latest trend on this one, Power Platform. So if you are interested, like if your juniors or your friends or your brothers are interested in technical, they can learn Power Platform and they can get an opportunities a lot. Of course, technical here also available, technical development. Okay, but this is also a great opportunities in the market. This is a new requirements in the market for platforms.
So you mean say like a Power BI or something else?
Yeah, Power in the Power Platform, Power BI is one tool. Power Platform is a combination of many tools. In that, Power BI is one tool.
So
Power
are you
BI
going
has
for that?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Power BI.
So whether
It is reporting tool.
yeah.
Reporting tool. Okay.
So whether Power BI will be included in our training?
No, it is a Power Platform, part of Power Platform.
Okay, fine.
One quick question, what is the reason like lately Microsoft Dynamics is picking up so much? Is it also popular with like big companies, like where you have revenue of maybe $10+ billion company, or is it only still ranging in the small and mid-size FNO, like somewhere
No,
around $1
actually,
billion to $2 billion
if it
only?
is if it is very, so organizations can be classified into, this is my personal opinion, very
Mhm.
large, medium, small, and very small. This is my classification, my own
Mhm.
classification. Okay, it is if it is a very large organizations means, suppose 10,000 crores, 50,000 crores business, then it is a very large. Large and medium means suppose 100 crores, 200 crores. This is my opinion, I'm telling you. Okay, so medium and large sectors are using Dynamics 365. Very large organizations means, take the example Reliance. Reliance is a very large organization, it is a group company. Still group companies are following SAP, but normal legal entities, Reliance Fresh, I'm sorry, Reliance Fresh or Reliance Mart or Reliance something, there are small companies. Each legal entities, they are using Dynamics. Actual operations are happening in the normal legal entities in Dynamics 365 because cost cutting, and this group company, consultation company, may be maintained in the SAP. This is my personal opinion, I'm telling you, because there is a huge demand on always with medium and large scale industries. In overnight, we cannot establish 10,000 crores of business. Am I right? I cannot start.
Yeah, true. That's what I am trying to understand. Yeah, what is picking up so much in Dynamics?
Yeah, because large and medium and large scale industries will be established by a small span of time. So everyone is moving to this one. Even existing clients also, if I'm running a group company, I will maintain group company in SAP, and all operations are I can maintain in D365 because it is cost cutting.
So the license and all is cheaper in Microsoft 365?
Yes, this is my opinion, I'm telling you.
Hmm.
And
Hi sir,
one more thing, easy to operate. That is the main advantage. All Microsoft products are easy to operate. You can learn quickly. Am I right?
Hey, sir, hi, Sai here. I have one question on this one. So,
Yeah.
what makes Microsoft Dynamics lesser than SAP, be it an S4 HANA right now, which cannot
So,
operate or manage very large industries?
so here we are not going to discuss with the comparison between SAP and Dynamics AX. I have told you my opinion. Okay, we don't want to deviate that function. So our
No,
focus
no, no,
is
no. It is your opinion only I'm asking you. I'm not asking
uh,
the exact
but
available
see,
information.
in terms of licensing, I have not verified. Like long back, I have verified, but nowadays I'm not verifying. This is my opinion. I told you, but I cannot uh,
So,
comment
what
on
I
this one. Yeah,
what I
yes,
see
please.
is that
Yeah,
implementation cost and the license cost and the infrastructure cost between both are
hmm,
different, and on that segment, right? So SAP is on peak, right? That's very costly, to be frank. Do you see any
exactly.
other challenges, like when it comes to functionality or something, or the product
Func-
offerings is
Functionality wise, I will give you one simple example. Suppose if it is in SAP, if I want to create a calendar, suppose in 1st April, 1st April 21 to 31st March 2022. If I want to create a calendar in SAP, I need minimum to minimum 30 minutes to 2 hours.
No, no, no. This and all I understood, Satya. Even in the
Okay.
demo you have put it. My
Yeah.
question is
Yeah.
like, what makes SAP HANA or
Uh,
R3 ECC,
uh,
right, at this moment
uh.
is better than Microsoft Dynamics when it comes to a large scale industry? I mean, just an opinion. It may not be
Okay.
a fact.
Okay.
What do
Yeah. Yeah.
you feel?
So in my opinion, because see, I don't know about this HANA latest version because I learned SAP in 2015 to
Okay.
understand the comparison between like SAP and Dynamics 360, like AX 2012 and Dynamics 365 to compare. I joined in SAP and I learned for a short span of time. I spent money and I learned for understanding purpose only. At that time, in terms of functionalities, almost same,
Yeah. Yeah.
almost same. almost the same. But maybe I'm not denying here. Maybe in SAP may have little bit more features. Maybe
No.
in
Okay.
my opinion.
Okay.
In my opinion, but majority it will be covered. If it is suppose if you are putting 80, like if you are putting like 90 rupees and 100 rupees, with the 90 rupees, if you are getting majority process, like 90% of the functions, 90% of the functions, suppose I'm getting by spending 500 rupees, and for 100% I need to spend 1000 rupees, suppose, then I will go with 90% functions with 500 rupees. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, that's how exactly it is there in the market right now. If you see on
Yes.
the whole fame of the ERPs available in the market also, HANA,
Mm.
Dynamics, and Oracle NetApps is NetApps, right? So, I mean,
Yeah,
these are the three at the top. So, I'm
yeah.
still, I mean, I had this question: what makes Microsoft Dynamics cannot manage the large scale industry? That's what.
Yeah, yeah.
Good.
Maybe
Thanks.
that's what 5%, 10% maybe the changes are there, but whatever it is there, it is available in D365 as well. Yeah,
Okay.
majority it
And
is available.
now it
Yeah,
is picking it up, and I think in the future we will have the latest releases, which will also actually happen to be managing the large scale as well.
yeah. Maybe it is product is enhancing like anything. So recently, Microsoft is enlarging so many sub modules. One module called recently in like 2 3 months back, landed cost. One module is introduced. Revenue
Yeah.
recognition 1.5 year back introduced, and asset leasing is module is introduced 3 4 months back. So there is Microsoft is enhancing a lot, means third party application, if it is any module is developed by third party application, third vendor, what Microsoft is doing, they are purchasing that application, they are incorporating in the Dynamics 365. So now it is enlarging or enhancing a lot about this product.
Okay. And one
Yeah,
question on the same, Satya. I know
yeah.
that it's not the topic, just an understanding. So, I mean,
Mm.
since you are expert in the industry of Microsoft Dynamics, how do you see, like, how are the
Mm.
clients migrating? What is the percentage of clients migrating from other ERPs to Dynamics now? Do you feel, is there any positive percentage there?
Yeah, yeah, percentage I cannot predict because I don't know like in the market how many people are there, but I saw many clients they are migrating from SAP to or Oracle apps to Dynamics 365. It does not mean that they are completely moving, their operations are making into Dynamics 365. Suppose
Okay.
I'm running my business, okay, I'm going to establish 2 more branches. Then,
Okay.
if it is Dynamics 365, it is easy to operate, and users, business users can understand easily application. So I can use this Dynamics 365 for the new branches, and slowly I can make it old branches also as D365, and the group company I will maintain in my own SAP or Oracle apps.
Okay. Okay. And then you integrate with the ERPs later.
Exactly. So because the main advantage is user friendliness. My suppose my accountants, my stores persons, sales persons, everyone should understand this application. So for
Okay.
operating, it will be easy.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Fine.
And
Anything else?
are we starting
Yeah.
the actual session on Dynamics from tomorrow, or is it
Yes. I'm
again?
going to start. No. Tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start the actual session. Because if I start now, many people have doubts. So first I need to give the clarifications. Then only I need to proceed. That is the reason. Otherwise, today's session is, to be frankly, it is a regular session only. Regular
And
session only. But
there are few
yeah.
actually, I mean,
Mm.
people in the team also may not be attended the demo. Could be one of the
Yeah, yeah,
reason.
yeah,
And just one
exactly.
question, like, how do you plan the course here? Like, from where do you start? Like, what is your plan?
So see here, first I will focus on transactions,
Okay. Acha,
vendor
I mean,
invoice.
where on that on top, it's the same hierarchy. What you undergo, is it?
Yes. Because first I need to introduce the transactions, like what is this vendor invoice, vendor payment. If I want to explain vendor invoice, vendor payment, first I need to explain ERP. If I want to
Yeah.
explain ERP, then I need to start this one. So tomorrow
Okay.
I'm going to start. So you are going to start a working in software companies. But if you want to learn ERP, don't imagine this one. You know, to imagine like you are running your business.
Yeah, I got it, Satya. So I was,
So
I
the
mean,
way I
maybe
will start.
yeah.
Yeah, I will start with this one tomorrow.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right. I think that's it from my side, Satya. Thank you so much.
You're
Sir,
welcome.
after getting learned this application, what is the position role we get?
Okay, so there are 4 roles will be there. I will explain you that one more function in the roles and responsibilities also. So if you coming to this one, this is implementation methodology. I'm going to explain you. In that, actually, like there are actually one is implementation consultant. This is one role, and another one is support consultant. Usually, juniors are like 2 years, 3 years experience people, they will play this one only. But senior people, they play like one is pre-sales activity, another one is business analyst. Okay, and one more role also it is there. It is temporary test engineer role. These are the major all roles, but initially you will get opportunities in these 2 roles.
Okay. Okay, sir.
This is called functional consultant. It is called functional consultant.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Anything else, anyone, please?
So one query,
Yeah.
are you going to conduct any certification exam after the course?
So for the certification, there is no use from institute. Institute,
Okay.
if you want, institute will give you. That is no use. But external
Okay.
certification will be there.
Okay.
Then you can do with this one 310
Okay.
MB 310. I
Okay.
can guide you
Okay.
how to clear. I can guide you.
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
So you need to complete MB 300 and 310 both. 300 is basics
Okay.
and 310 is finance.
Okay. Fine.
This is from Microsoft.
Okay. Okay.
Microsoft
Thank you.
applications. Yeah. You're welcome.
Satya,
Any
one
question?
last question. One last question.
Yes,
Sorry, I don't want this question again to be dragged during the live session.
no problem. No
Okay,
problem.
see, I mean, let's say, I mean, we are from other background of ERP today, and we are switching to MSD. And tomorrow, at that some point, you know, if I want to change it back, I mean, as a functional consultant, is it mandatory to know the application, or is it okay to have the, you know, your general configurational things of an ERP and the financial knowledge? Is that enough, or the product is mandated for any switch in the future?
So you are migrating from some other application to this one, am I right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. So then you need to learn this application as well, am I right?
That's true. That's true.
Okay. Now I did not understand your question.
Okay, I
Like
mean, it's very simple because your experience is very nice, right? We are just at the mid level, like say 3-4 years right now. Okay, question is like I'm changing my ERP right now. I work for SAP Business One. Now it's going to be MSD. And tomorrow, by any chance, if I want to go back to SAP, can I fill all this experience as SAP? And that point, is it mandatory to know that SAP product which I'll be focusing on?
So
Or
that
is
is
that,
project.
yeah,
That is completely project project demands. Am I right?
that's right.
Because
So,
if it is
yeah,
if it is suppose after 3 years or 4 years, and uh, after 3 years or 4 years, suppose SAP is changed the product completely.
yeah,
Then you need to learn. If you want to move to SAP, you need to learn once again that ERP. Am I right?
yeah, that's right. That's right.
Uh,
Yeah, I mean, the question is, you know, the backfill of all the experience that you have, that will be counted, or is it going to be a
definitely,
fresh?
definitely, it will be counted because see, ERP is a tool, one tool.
Yes.
Your experience definitely counts.
Okay. Okay.
Experience definitely counts. But when compared with, suppose I have 12 years of experience in Dynamics, and you have 12 only 6 years of experience and 6 years in SAP, it may be slightly difference in the demand.
True. True. I mean, what I see is like all ERPs are same in functionality, be it
Yeah,
some
it is
products
same.
have a generic and unique features which will actually solve some of the third-party applications and all like
Exactly,
it.
you're right.
Yeah.
Exactly, you're right. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, so
Uh, Satya. Hi, Satya. I
Yes,
have
sir.
a doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, do we need to complete certification to get the job?
So, see, certification, if you are in India, it is not mandatory. It is not mandatory. If you are in, if you are planning to travel any other countries, they will look for certification first. They will look for certification. So that is the reason. That is the reason. Certification is not mandatory, but it's a additional advantage. It's a additional advantage.
yeah, I mean, that reminds me one more question, Satya. I'm really sorry to take you so many questions. When you
Yeah,
say
yeah.
like, your certification helps you, find out the jobs outside. Do you see
Hmm.
the challenges of having the local languages there for a functional consultant, or is it only business analyst who should know the local language?
Local language means, can you elaborate what exactly your
If you're
expectation?
trying for Germany, is it mandatory to know the Dutch, for to getting the functional consultant job over there, or is it's okay to be in English?
So majority countries, they are speaking in English. Majority countries. Sometimes I will tell you one scenario. Suppose I'm working in Denmark. Okay, I'm working in Denmark.
Yeah.
So like I'm working in as a functional consultant in Denmark from last 2 years. Now that company asked me to leave. Now, if there is a chance, like if it is any country, any company, English speaking functional people, if they are preferring, that's fine. If it is in case Europe countries, if you don't have chance, you need to come back to India. It does not mean like if you are getting an opportunity in Australia, Canada, UK, then it is English speaking countries, there is no issue
Sure.
at all.
That's right. That's why I took Germany as an example, right? So
Yeah.
there are
So if it is
job.
Germany, if it is Germany, I saw many requirements in English also. But like if you are working already as a functional consultant in Germany, it is better to learn local language at the earliest so that your job guarantee will be there.
Okay, okay. So I mean, in that may I mean reminds like the functional consultant will anyway be interacting with the clients. Then you should have mandatorily to about the local language there. It's
That
not
is
just
not mandatory. That's not mandatory, but you got opportunity and you are working in that company. People are available. English speaking countries, English speaking people, consultants
that is
also
something
available.
I got it. I mean, it depends like in a company, right?
Exactly.
Not all companies are international companies in the region I'm
Yes,
talking about.
exactly. Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
So,
Exactly. You're right. Because I
so
traveled to Netherlands, I traveled to Spain, so
yes.
I know the complexities. Sometimes some people they don't know even left, right also they don't know. Exit
Okay.
also
Yeah,
they
yeah.
don't know.
I understand. I have been some of
I
those projects. Yeah.
Yeah, I faced challenges in when I'm moving outside. I'm asking like where is exit? So they don't know what is this exit.
Okay.
Even left, right also they don't know. So that depends. It's a challenge. Europe countries, there is a chance of challenges. Apart from that one, there is so many opportunities. Australia, Canada, UK, USA. There are many countries, English-speaking countries we can handle. So if it is Russia, even it is in the help also in if you Google it, help also in Russian language. So
That's good.
we did not get chance to implement. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Good.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Welcome. Anything else? Anyone? Anyone, please. Any more questions? So if nothing, then please contact with the institute or me. Whoever is having contact with me, you can contact me with me directly, or whoever is uh, coming directly through institute, you can approach institute. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, the same link it will be continued. the same link, the session will be started.
Yes,
Okay.
Satya.
Yeah.
Yes, Satya. Could you please share me your contact details so that we can contact
So,
you?
no, actually, if you are coming through institute, then you need to share, like you need to contact institute only. Like some students are my direct students, means they know very well about me, so they will contact me. Otherwise, you come through institute, then you need to contact this Kiranmai Institute number 970. If you
Yeah.
want, note down 970.
Yeah, okay. No problem. I have that number.
Yeah, my number will be shared once you pay the fee, then my number will be shared with you.
Yeah, thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, anything else?
No. Okay. Thank you, Satya.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you,
welcome.
Satya.
We'll connect once again tomorrow. Yeah, welcome.
Yep.
Welcome.
Thanks. Yeah, thank you. Good day.
Thank you,
Yeah,
We
Satya.
will connect
Thanks, Satya.
same time tomorrow.
yeah, same time, same link.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, see you all.
All right. Thanks, Satya.
Yeah, welcome. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.